You want to permanently remove an extension from VS Code editor. Then in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to permanently uninstall any extension that you had installed and is no longer needed. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing to do is to open your VS Code editor and then head to extension option down below here. I have quite a number of extensions installed and uninstalled. We have several of them. So I'll wish to uninstall this JS hint. If I click on it, you can see it is already installed on my code editor. However, I'm told this extension is deprecated and I'm in turn redirected to this extension instead. So because I no longer need it, I'll need to remove it. And you can see we have this depreciation sign next to it. Because it is no longer wanted, I'll head to this. If you just go below it here, click on uninstall, and this will remove the extension from this code editor. So you can go through the list and find any other extension that you no longer need. Just click on any and then remove it by clicking on uninstall. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.